beginning to look and look like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holy that will be on your own front. But I have fallen boots and a pistol that senses the wish so proud of your man. Toys that we talk and we go for a walk is the home for family and man. Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the mountain, one in the park as well. It's a static and there doesn't matter, no. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that